this new tripod. You got the stand, you got a little bag, you got the little all the little adapter pieces and a little remote. Alright, so let's put this together. Alright, so I got tons and tons of different tripods and different gadgets to hold my phones whenever I'm recording, but I just got this new tripod and I got it for a particular reason. Now this tripod right here, alright, is going to help me make more money. Why? Because I'm going to be able to create more content and even get smarter, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Alright, so first of all, why I got this particular tripod is because of this right here. This adjustable neck piece where it allows you to bend it all which way, you know what I'm saying, make it easy for you to use. And I just put it together, and this tripod is a lot doper than I thought because the way you can adjust the height. Like the tripod I'm using right now, you gotta like pick it up and extend it. You gotta turn the sticks, you know, to make it adjust and make it lock into place. With this one, I didn't even know they had this, but it got these little clip things right here. So you see, hopefully you can see this shit. You open it up, that makes it loose. But when you're at the right height, all you do is take this little piece and it locks into place. And they got them going all the way down the bottom so you can adjust your height very, very easy. And I didn't even know they had this, all right? So now let me show you exactly why I got this tripod. All right, so here's the thing. A while ago, I thought it'd be a great idea when I'm working out, all right, that I can have my phone, right? And I thought this would be a dope ass way to get some exercise in and actually film some content for YouTube, right? And I got this cool little this little arm piece that connects to your stationary bike or whatever you're trying to use, and it's pretty cool, right? Like the concept dope. A lot of people use this on their bikes and everything. They usually use tablets, but I'm using my phone, right? But the problem is, because it's connected to this, so when I'm actually pedaling, if I was actually trying to record a video, I don't know if you can see this, but it's shaking, right? This camera is shaking when I'm moving, and it just, you know, as far as recording, this would look terrible because my video would just be shaking. Now, another reason why I like doing this, because I can actually watch YouTube, watch tutorials, you know, watch all types of motivation videos and whatever, right? So I can actually be working out and actually, you know, learning something, accomplishing something. So actually watching videos, this ain't that bad for watching videos, although it's constantly moving, right? So I was thinking, all right, this would be dope if I can have this set up, right, you know, right here, but without all the moving, right? And that's exactly why I got the new tripod. So what I'm going to do is, all right, I'm going to take my phone off of here, boom. And this is the first time me doing this. So I'm going to take this off, all right, just like this. And I'll actually use this for my, in my office, right? I'm going to use that, so it's all good. So now I got this new one, and I just slide it on in place, and it's basically in the same position as the other one, so I can make it, you know, do whatever. Boom. So I put it here, just put it a little further back, right? Get my phone, put my phone right here, and bam! Same thing. Only difference is, see your boy, now I can actually record some videos and, you know, or watch some videos or whatever while I'm getting my cardio in. And this is exactly why I got this tripod right here. So yes, this is actually my tripod in use, and it's working exactly how I thought it would. So now I can create tons of content while I'm working out, getting fit while getting rich. That's what I'm doing. So once again, if you want to check out this tripod for yourself, I got the link in the description. I got it from Amazon. I think it was like maybe 30 bucks, but well worth it if you're gonna use it.